Good morning, class. Today we are learning about nature. So we're going to the school playground to learn about it. Any questions? But we learn it in the class first, then in the school playground? No. We are here in the school playground to learn about nature. Look, everyone. Look at this pretty butterfly. Look at this cute rabbit, Miss. It is white like snow. Yes, Marianne, it's a nice rabbit, but it lives in the polar. We need to take a journey. I don't like journeys either. But we need to save this cute little rabbit. He lives in the polar. I wish you didn't find a polar rabbit. Come on the plane, boarder. Come on the plane, class. Okay, we're coming aboard the plane. Yummy. Oh, Miss Silky, why are you taking a burger? Never mind. You can take it. We are Squeak Squeaky, the